Today we are covering Microsoft AZ220, Microsoft Azure IoT Developer. To find the complete list of questions and answers, please go to the playlist link provided in the description. If you like this content, please do like, share and subscribe to this channel. Question is, you need to recommend a solution to keep device properties synced to IoT Hub. The solution must minimize data loss caused by the connectivity issues. What should you include in the recommendation? Options are Option A, Azure Event Grid. Option B, a cloud to device message. Option C, IoT Hub device twins. Option D, the IoT Hub direct method. And the correct answer is option C, IoT Hub device twins. Next question is, you are writing code to provision IoT devices by using the device provisioning service. Which two details from the overview blade of the device provisioning service are required to provision a new IoT client device? To answer, select the appropriate details in the answer area. Please look at the answer area. This is the answer area. Read carefully. Next question is, what should you do to identify the cause of the connectivity issues? And the options are Option A, send cloud to device messages to the IoT devices. Option B, use the heartbeat pattern to send messages from the IoT devices to IoT Hub 1. Option C, monitor the connection status of the device twin by using an Azure function. Option D, enable the collection of the connections diagnostics logs and set up alerts for the connected devices count metric. And the correct answer is option D, enable the collection of the connections diagnostics logs and set up alerts for the connected devices count metric. Next question is, you need to use message enrichment to add additional device information to messages sent from the IoT gateway devices when the reported temperature exceeds a critical threshold. How should you configure the enrich message values? To answer, select the appropriate options in the answer area. Here is the answer area. And this is the correct answer. Next question is, how should you complete the group by clause to meet the streaming analytics requirements? And the options are group by hopping window second 60-30. Option B, group by tumbling window second 30. Option C, group by sliding window second 30. Option D, group by session window second 30-60. And the correct answer is option B, group by tumbling window second 30. Next question is, you create a new IoT device named device 1 on IoT Hub 1. Device 1 has a primary key of UIHUIH76HBHB. How should you complete the device connection string? To answer, select the appropriate options in the answer area. Now see this answer area. And the correct answer is in bottom tables. Next question is, you plan to deploy Azure Time Series Insights. What should you create on IoT Hub 1 before you deploy Time Series Insights? Options are Option A new message route. Option B, a new consumer group. Option C, a new shared access policy. Option D, an IP filter rule. Correct answer is option B, a new consumer group. Next question is, you need to enable telemetry message tracing through the entire IoT solution. What should you do? And the options are option A, monitor device lifecycle events. Option B, upload IoT device logs by using the file upload feature. Option C, enable the device telemetry diagnostic log and stream the log data to Azure Event Hub. Option D, implement distributed tracing. Correct answer is option D, implement distributed tracing. Next question is, during the POV phase, telemetry from IoT hub stops flowing to the hot path. The cold path continues to work. What should you do to restore the hot path? And the options are option A, disable the fallback route. Option B, run the test all routes action. Option C, create an explicit route for the hot path. Option D, modify cold route to send only some telemetry data to the cold path. And the correct answer is option C, create an explicit route for the hot path. Next question is, you need to add time series insight to the solution to meet the pilot requirements. Which three actions should you perform in sequence? To answer, move the appropriate actions from the list of actions to the answer area and arrange them in the correct order. This is the answer area. Bottom section is the correct answer.